So, hello everyone in YouTube. How the fuck are yous? But I think tonight or today we're going to go to the we're going to go to Port Melbourne to Station Pier. Oop, better pull over. I got me light flashing. See the light? I'll show you what that's all about. I think we'll do it right here, next to the doggy box. Now, that's for this. Can you hear it beeping? No. Let's see if I can do it. And this is for my drink driving. And it's a pass! Yay! More passes on this than what I ever got at school. It's a bonus. So this is for my drink driving. This is what I've got to do. The lights are gone off now. And we're good to go. Hey? Good to go. But every time that light starts blinking, I've got a certain amount of time. To pull over and blow into breathalyzer and get a pass, of course, and we can keep riding. Apparently if I don't notice the light or I ignore the light or whatever, then the horn starts going, and then I've got like about 3 or 4 minutes or so to make sure I pass. And then we're good to go. But if I don't pass, it just shuts everything down. Another scooter boy. Oh, we've got the light flashing, so we might just pull over in here, eh? Yeah, this looks pretty good to me. A neutral. Oh, keep you going. Are you ready? Hey, don't get caught up in things. Hey, another pass. Told you, get more passes on this than what I did at school. Wow. And that's how easy it is. Pain in the ass, but it's easy. That was easy? Oh fuck, that didn't take long actually. Nice indicator, champ. Pretty indicators. I'll ask him if his indicator works. Excuse me? Does that car have indicators? Indicators, do they work? Well, use them next time, because you don't use them. You change lanes without no indicator, nothing. I thought maybe it was a special car, didn't have them. Have a good day, ladies. Bubba 400 is back. With a good attitude too, eh? We'll see how long this good attitude lasts. Amongst all these people trying to hurt me. Because that's all they want to do, Bubba, is hurt ya. Yes, they do. You know it. You remember how it was. They all wanted to hurt you. Just you. Yes, I remember, Bubba. The times have changed. I'm 6 months older. I'm much more mature, wiser. It won't be long before you go off, Bubba. You know that. You'll go off at someone. Well, we'll see when that happens. What happens and why it happens. Yeah, I know ya. You'll go off at somebody. See you guys after. Oh, g'day guys. Just down here at Port Melbourne, Station Pier. Come down to see the HMAS Melbourne, the third. That's it docked over there, the Gratian.
done its last voyage. It's going to be decommissioned pretty soon. It was actually commissioned on the 15th of February 1992, and its decommissioning is going to be the 26th of October 2019. So you can do the maths, that's quite a few years it's done in the water. It's done over 800,000 nautical miles. It was the last commissioned Adelaide class guided missile frigate. Just a few stats that I've read about it. It's fully capable of surface and undersea warfare. So that means planes, ships and submarines. And it underwent significant upgrades in the mid-2000s. Antennas and radars and so forth. It can accommodate 232 people, but apparently on this voyage, when it came into town today, this morning at 10 AM at Docktower, there was 199 personnel on board. This is the Friday the 13th, 2019. It's going to have an open day in 2 days time. 2 days, so that'll be Sunday the 15th. I don't know if we'll get down here, but we'll try and get down here, eh? Let's have a real good close up on it. There's someone walking there. Oh, there's people on it still. I thought that they were off. This ship here has done a lot of tours over the years, and I'll put up a whole heap of stats which I've probably already started putting up. Over the years it's spent a lot of time over in the Gulf, I think. A lot of tours over that way. We're a fair distance from it there. There's a super bike there. Ooh, hello! Look at you. Hey? You sexy beast you are. Whoa, yeah. Well, there we go, eh? See if we can take a couple of snaps of it.